Welcome to Inspire for middle and high school research projects. This short tutorial is designed to assist teachers and students with research projects on any subject matter, from English to history and beyond. You'll get an overview of the database Explora for high schoolers, including how to search and how to navigate your search results. This is the Inspire website. Inspire is a service of the Indiana State Library, and the web address is www.inspire.in.gov. For this tutorial, we will highlight Explora for high schoolers. Explora is a great resource for any research paper. It contains articles from encyclopedias, newspapers, journals, and other print and electronic resources. These articles are vetted, reliable sources and are recommended for research projects over using Google or Wikipedia. To access Explora, go to Databases by Subject on the Inspire homepage. Here it is a little closer. Just click on that. Then scroll down to Student Search 6 through 12. From there, select Explora for high schoolers. At the bottom of the Explora homepage are suggested topics for any students who may be struggling to find a topic to research. You can also search at the top of the page for any topic just by hitting Enter. Here is a sample search for Antarctica. You can see it suggests common searches on that topic, such as Antarctica and climate change. You can ignore those searches if preferred and just hit Enter to do a general search on your topic. Here's the search results page. At the top is a topic overview. In this case, it's an article from a magazine called Our World. The search results tell you at a glance what type of resource an article is. This particular one says reference because it's from an encyclopedia. And results should be available in full text as long as you have the full text box checked on the left side of the screen. Also on the left is the area where you can refine your results. Let's look at those refine results options in a little more detail. As I mentioned, first ensure that the box next to full text is checked. This will retrieve only articles that are available in their entirety and will reduce any frustrations your students may feel at finding interesting looking articles only to discover that the entire article isn't available. You can adjust the publication date of the articles you're seeking with this sliding bar. Your students may want to use resources that are more current depending what their topic is. You can also limit your search by source type. For instance, if you only want encyclopedia articles in academic journals and want to avoid magazine articles and reviews, you can do that there. Now let's look at an individual article. I've scrolled down the results page to a periodical article from Discover magazine entitled Meltdown. To select it, click on the title or where it says HTML full text. And this is what the HTML results look like. At the top is an option to translate the article into a number of different languages. And under some bibliographic information and the title, you will find an option to listen to the article being read aloud. Both of these are great accessibility options for your students. Below those is the article itself. To the right are options for saving the article. You can save directly to Google Classroom or Google Drive. You can print, email, or save the article to a flash drive. You can also grab a permalink for the article. And of special note is the option to use ready-made citations for each article. Just click on Cite, and you're given several options for citing the article, including MLA. One other option you may have for some articles is the ability to view it in PDF full text. Here is what the PDF looks like. On the left, you can actually browse through the entire magazine this way. You're not limited to just the article you started with. One more search option to consider in Explora. Go to Advanced Search, and here you can limit your searches even further, including adjusting for lexile level ranges and the ability to adjust the publication and document types within all of the databases that Explora searches. You might make note that these databases are all available and can be searched independently of one another through Inspire. There are databases specific to language arts, science, health, medicine, and much, much more. However, Explora actually does some of the legwork for you by searching multiple databases at once. If you do want to search only a topic-specific database, you'll find those back on the Databases by Subject page. And this concludes the Inspire for Middle and High School Research Projects tutorial. We hope you found it useful and encourage you to explore Inspire more on your own. If you have further questions about Inspire, don't hesitate to contact the Indiana State Library's Professional Development Office.